If you go up to the top of your screen while you are logged into YouTube and you click on this, what you're going to see is you're going to see a bunch of different links here. The stuff here will actually log you into or actually take you into your TubeBuddy account. The stuff over here, this is basically going to be quick links that will take you into these sections inside of YouTube itself. And then these down here are actual tools that you can use right now. So we're going to start with the Tag Explorer. I actually did a video about this one just a couple of videos ago. That's the one that I just showed on the screen right here. And because of that, if you are interested in watching the full tutorial on how to use tags to get views on YouTube, I'm going to put a link to that right up here at the top of the screen. You use this Tag Explorer to basically research the topics that you are wanting to cover so you can see the other people that are ranking for these videos, so you can see the search volume, the competition, and that sort of thing, as well as get additional ideas for more tags to see if the topic that you're talking about is trending, to get auto suggestions and things like that. But this can really make a big difference on helping you rank your videos, so I really suggest that you watch that other video. I'll also put a link to it in the description down below, and I'll actually link to it at the end of this video so that you can make sure to check that out once you are finished with this video. But the next thing inside of that dashboard is a video topic planner. Personally, I don't use this. I do all of this inside of my phone, actually, while I'm out and about. But basically, let's say if you're wanting to do a video topic, then what I would do here is I would say, okay, YouTube tips, and then that would just put the title up there for me, and then I can start putting my notes together. So basically, awesome tip here, another awesome tip here, and so on. And basically what it is you can break down all of your information here. It's just kind of like a sketch pad while you're here on YouTube. So let's say, as an example, you are watching videos on YouTube and an idea pops in your head. Well, that's where the video topic planner really comes in handy, because you can just say, okay, well, while I'm inside of YouTube anyway, I'm just going to click this and I'm going to add this to my video topic list so that I can come back later. In addition to that, they also have a best time to publish, which is a really cool feature. If you click on this, then what's going to happen is TubeBuddy is going to analyze your channel, and they are going to give you the best time to publish based on what's currently going on in your channel. So in this case, if I want to get the best results for everyone, I would publish on a Sunday and a Saturday. If I want to get the best results for subscribers, then I would publish on a Saturday, which that's when I do my live streams. And if I want to get the best results for non-subscribers, then I would also publish on a Sunday here as well. So this is a really cool feature, and a lot of people ask, hey, when's the best time to publish? This is going to help you narrow that down. Now, keep in mind, this is based on what's already going on in your channel. So let's say if I were to move my live streams to Wednesday, then you would see this Wednesday metric start to climb and that Saturday metric start to fall down a little bit. The next thing on the list is the tag lists. And what this is basically when you go into here, this kind of helps you get together a list of different tags. Maybe you see them in other videos or something like that. Or you're just sitting here, planning the tags that you'll want to use in your video. Then what you can do is you can actually sort these into different lists for the different topics that you talk about. And then you can just copy these out when it comes time to add them to your video, and then paste them into your video tags before you release your video. Okay, the next feature that I want to show you is the canned responses inside of TubeBuddy. This is an often overlooked feature, but check this out. So if you get a lot of comments, you can create canned responses based on those comments. So like Silverberg here says that they just subscribed. So I can click on the canned responses here. I can just click on new subscriber. And what's going to happen is it's going to put in a predefined message that basically tells them if they have the question, they can use this hashtag. And it also tells them to check out the channel page just so they can see all of the other topics that I covered so far in case there's something else that they might want. And I basically give them a welcome and say, hey, I look forward to seeing you around.